In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Google Tasks. If you've ever found yourself starring emails or leaving them unread just to remember to follow up later, this quick workflow will help you turn those messages into clear, trackable action items without leaving your inbox. We'll do everything right on your computer inside Gmail, and by the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable way to move from email to action in a single click. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, choose any email you want to track as a task. Maybe it's a message that needs a reply, a document you need to review, or a reminder to check back with someone later. Click to open that email so you're viewing the full message. At the top of the email, you'll see a row of icons. Look for the checkmark icon labeled Add to Tasks. Clicking this is the fastest way to create a task directly from the email you're viewing. If you don't immediately see the checkmark, you can use the three-dot More menu in the same area. Click More, then choose Add to Tasks from the list. Both options do the exact same thing, so use whichever is easiest for you in the moment. Right away, a new task is created and appears in the Google Tasks side panel on the right side of Gmail. This task inherits the email's subject as its name, making it easy to recognize. Most importantly, it includes a direct link back to the original email. That link means you can jump back to the full message anytime with a single click, saving you from searching your inbox or trying to remember where the conversation started. This tight connection between Gmail and Google Tasks helps keep your follow-ups organized without adding extra steps to your day. You handle the email when you have time, and until then, it lives as a clear action item that's visible alongside your inbox. It's especially helpful for messages that aren't urgent but still matter. Things like reminders to review, approvals you owe, or notes you need to revisit later. To recap the flow you'll use over and over. Open Gmail, open the email you want to track, click Add to Tasks, or go to More and choose Add to Tasks, and watch the new task appear in the side panel with a built-in link straight back to the email. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. Try it on your next email that needs follow-up, and you'll see how much easier it is to stay on top of your to-dos directly from your inbox.